Killing shell equals true process results in resource warning, subprocess is still running. Following the advice from how to terminate a Python subprocess launch with shell equals true. I have a process that I start with the following. My _cmd is in the form of some _cmd that periodically outputs to stout, grep some fancy regex, some output file, text. I kill the process with the following. After killing, I get the following warning. Why am I getting this warning?
You didn't wait for the process to end. Even if you kill the process, you're still supposed to wait for it so you don't have a zombie process hanging around. Python is warning you that you didn't wait. Add a process.wait call after killing it.